Arabian Construction Company is a dynamic and progressive organization that has grown to become a leader in its industry. ACC has been operating since 1967, and now its presence is felt throughout the Middle East. From power generation and desalination plants to factories, hotels, hospitals, and intricately sophisticated smart buildings. ACC's track record is a prestigious list of efficiently delivered projects. All of ACC's shareholders, as part of the management team, are involved in the day-to-day operations with a vested interest in the success of all projects. ACC benefits from a working network in many countries in the Middle East. This allows ACC to mobilize rapidly throughout the region. It has its offices in Lebanon, UAE, Syria, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Iraq, and Pakistan. The almost flat organization structure guarantees easy access to senior company members with decision-making authority. ACC's advantage lies in its ability to bring solutions to the client's requirements in all phases of project planning and execution. ACC's clients are assured of the best possible service in project delivery, as ACC's managers are committed to the success of each and every project. This explains the reason why ACC has a prestigious list of repeat clients. ACC has proven its capabilities in various areas of construction. Increased demand for energy in the Gulf region has resulted in the need for a comprehensive and rapid expansion program by energy providers. ACC, a market leader in this field, has rapidly established itself in major construction projects that involve complex logistical capabilities. Limited renewable source of fresh water in the Gulf region, combined with rapid development, has resulted in a dramatic increase in demand for desalination plants. These support agriculture, industrial processes, and supply communities with safe, potable water. ACC's ability to respond quickly and efficiently to market needs was instrumental in it being awarded the construction services for a number of fast-track desalination projects in this region. The client's belief in ACC's capabilities has helped it to venture into building skyscrapers. The latest of such projects awarded to ACC is the 360-meter tall Almas Tower, located at Dubai. The 333-meter tall Rose Tower is another landmark in the making that complement Arabian Construction Company's portfolio. ACC has the experience and expertise to effectively handle complicated and demanding construction projects. ACC, as the principal contractor for a number of smart buildings, is entrusted with both building construction to very high specifications and installations of complex equipment. These new generation smart buildings incorporate sophisticated HVAC systems, inert gas firefighting systems, closed-circuit TV systems, advanced lighting controls, and security, as well as access systems, all managed by an advanced building management system. Multi-use centers are challenging projects to build due to their large volumes and potentially diverse architecture. ACC has a long list of such projects that includes trade centers, hypermarkets, and the likes. Since its inception, ACC has been responsible for the construction of distinctive office complexes and towers across the Middle East. ACC has been involved in a number of defense projects which, by their nature, require highly specialized construction activities. Discipline, organization, and excellent logistics are essential for timely completion of such accelerated projects. ACC has been involved in the construction of religious, cultural, arts, sports, and leisure facilities of the highest standards. The company contributed to the delivery of optimum cultural and leisure settings in different cities within the Middle East, providing modern, well-equipped theaters, conference halls, and stadiums to encourage and support artistic and sporting endeavors. Modern communities need reliably built public building structures and finishes that can handle heavy public use. ACC has a strong track record for such buildings. Quality healthcare is also essential to building communities. These facilities often require special features as an integral part of the structure. Meeting the demands of an increasing need for quality living space, ACC has been actively involved in a number of high-quality, high-rise residential developments. Stringent residential development controls and high environmental standards require today's structures to be designed and constructed to a high comfort standards and safety specifications. The Middle East now offers some very luxurious hotel complexes where ACC has provided its major contributions. By giving careful attention to details, uncompromising building quality, and optimal selection of materials, ACC contributed to create total luxury. ACC has been responsible for the construction of a number of famous palaces in the Gulf. Our reputation for excellence in every aspect of construction, from meticulous planning to state-of-the-art finishing, has secured us contracts for the presidential courts in Abu Dhabi and Doha, and a number of prestigious VIP residences across the region. ACC's turnkey operations offer our clients a complete package of carefully managed services. Turnkey construction experience and a flexible and adaptable company workforce have allowed ACC to expand its field of industrial operations to include joint ventures with specialized companies. Providing high-quality residences across the Middle East and Europe, ACC has once again proved to be adaptable and resourceful, anticipating market demands and responding quickly to their needs. Providing future generations with safe, student-friendly schools is one of ACC's contributions to our community. Attention to detail in completing the interior of a project can be as important as the exterior construction. Precision interior work requires craftsmanship and careful planning. Our dedicated teams of artists work with meticulous attention to detail, finishing in Italian marble, oak, cedar, and ebony. From shopping centers to luxurious palaces, ACC's craftsmen ensure that the final product exceeds expectations. Linking communities across the Middle East in a further diversification of services, ACC has completed 3 comprehensive telecommunication packages in Lebanon and Egypt. ACC has the flexibility to diversify its activities and has done so by penetrating into related fields of operations. Electrical and mechanical works are such fields where ACC has completed works on some of its major building projects. Working fast track is one of ACC's specialties, while assuring clients of consistently high standards within record time frames. ACC maintains a full range of heavy construction equipment in its areas of operation. Such resources enable the company to quickly mobilize into any area in the region and meet the varying requirements of the schedules of its projects. Technical service base in Musaffa in Abu Dhabi remains the unfaltering center pillar that controls and supports the plant and machinery requirements of all the projects in the Gulf. TSB started a new era in the manufacturing and fabrication field for various engineering and construction machineries, equipment, and materials. These units in turn give the company savings in relation to locally procured materials. Thus, TSB is successfully supporting the construction activities of ACC projects by boldly facing the enduring task of meeting the superior challenges brought about by the technological dimensions as demanded by the construction industry in the region. ACC's management is committed in maintaining its policy to ensure an effective and efficient operation of its quality management system and continual improvement of the performance of the company. In accordance with standard requirements and the company's commitment to quality, ISO 9001-2000 standards are applied to ACC's projects through complete restructuring of the quality systems based on business processes and documentation. Achievement of the standard assures that ACC provides its clients with consistent and reliable performance in adherence with the best quality practices the industry has to offer. ACC is a member of the British Safety Council and has proven its commitment to safety by accomplishing millions of accident-free man-hours at its various projects. ACC has developed a safety program to help protect workers from the hazards associated with its operations. A safety culture is implemented on ACC sites, with stringent measures being applied to minimize and prevent the occurrence of accidents. ACC's management, with their accurate planning and resource deployment, has made the achievements of ACC possible. ACC is grateful to its human capital for its solid reputation in the Middle East. ACC's employees have always taken on the challenge of broadening its field of operations and increasingly complex work standards over the past 35 years. In doing so, they have constantly acquired new skills and expertise that keep them ahead in the industry. The performance appraisal system practiced at ACC assists in reviewing the performance of employees, as well as helping them in improving to the highest level. Creativity and innovation are very much entertained among ACCians, as it is one of the major aspects that help ACC reach exceptional heights through its employees. A quarterly in-house magazine is one of the circulations that reach all ACCians that contribute to developing the ACC culture. All ACC employees gather together from offices and projects far and near during Ramadan and meet each other at the Iftar get-together. During the past years, ACC has grown tremendously in all aspects. The beginning of ACC was in Lebanon, and now it has a dozen offices throughout the Middle East, along with a workforce of 10,000 strong men and women, with an annual turnover of $420 million and numerous highly sophisticated and successful prestigious projects to its credit. With our continued commitment to development and change, we look forward to the future and all the challenges and opportunities that it will offer.